Most people in Africa are renting their life away, barely getting by in a population of 1.4 billion people. Many people are not short of ideas, they are short of structure. There is no one without something, something you know, something you have experienced, something you can teach, something you can package. There is no emptiness in you. But if all you do is make noise, scroll, post distractions, and move on, you are building something that will one day expire. A digital landlord does not just scroll, he does not just post distractions, he does not just throw ideas online and move on. He turns ideas into something worthwhile, something useful, something structured, something valuable enough to stand the test of time. Noise expires, structure compounds. Stay focused till the end of this video, because I will give you an action plan to start building with structure. So before you call anything a digital asset, ask yourself 4 questions. Number 1, can this idea still help someone after today? Number 2, can I turn this idea into something people can use? A checklist, a guide, a template, a class, or a product? Number 3, can people find this idea later through search? Because if nobody can find it again, it is not working for you. It is just temporary, it will fade away. Number 4, can this idea build trust, leads, or income over time? Because attention is good, but attention that leads nowhere is not an asset. Attention without direction is just distraction. If your idea passes these 4 questions, then you are not just posting, you are holding a brick, and that brick can become your first digital asset, your own foundation toward a legacy. Now let us jump to the practical. If you are in Africa, you do not need to wait for permission. You can start with simple tools. You have been programmed to think something good has to be expensive, but the same data you use to scroll, someone else is using it to build. Same data, different destination. I am showing you how to build with that same data. These are tools you may have heard of before now, tools you may have used casually before. But this time, we are not using them for noise. We are using them for structure, for foundation, for something that can stand the test of time. Number 1, Selar. Use Selar to sell a simple digital product without needing your own website. This is where you can sell your product without having to pay upfront. A guide, a checklist, a small class, something useful people can pay for. Number 2, Notion. Use Notion to build a simple template, a planner, a content calendar, a business tracker, a checklist people can use again and again. That is how your knowledge becomes a tool. Number 3, Substack. Use Substack to start a newsletter, not just to write random thoughts, but to build an audience you can reach again. One useful lesson every week, one clear topic, one audience that keeps coming back. Number 4, Gumroad. Use Gumroad if you want to reach global buyers. Sell a guide, a template, a class, a small digital product, something useful beyond your local environment. What is easy for you can be paid for by someone else. Number 5, Paystack and Flutterwave. Use Paystack or Flutterwave to collect payment from people who want what you have built, because an asset without payment structure is incomplete. Now here is your action step. Look at your last 10 posts. Pick one idea people still need even after the trend has passed. Turn that idea into one small asset this week. A PDF, a checklist, a Notion template, a short class, a simple digital product. Start small, start rough, just start. You do not need permission, you need a foundation, and with street lecturer guidance, you can start with structure. So here is my question for you. What is one idea you already have that you can turn into a digital asset this week? Drop it in the comments with any question you may have regarding this lesson. I want to see what you are building. That is brick 1. Stop creating only content. Start building digital assets. Watch out for brick 2 tomorrow. One day, one brick. This is the Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.